this views. Make it where I smell it bad. That cloud had lightning. This cloud actually had lightning in it. Still that one's even better. Flame elements too. Because it's
Return them. Oh, this is nice. Nice with all the lightning and the storm. Oh, wow. Whew. Okay. Hello, everybody. Again, I'm here recording another I'm here recording an isolated thunderstorm. This storm is isolated. It has actually the intensity of lightning is actually increasing. The intensity of the lightning is actually increasing on the storm. Oh wow! Yep, it is increasing. The intensity of lightning is actually increasing on the storm right now. Yeah, it's really increasing. Like, really. So yeah, we do have there was a high pressure ridge which prevents storm activity. That's why I was mostly not really able to record this, to record storms, because in the summer there is a pattern we go into. Yeah, this lightning is increasing. The intensity of lightning is increasing on this storm. The light just blow. That light just turned out. Or did somebody turn it off? I know the lights. I tried to keep a visual on this storm cloud. Lord. Let me set the device here. I'll go check out real quick. Okay, sorry everybody, I ruined your view for a little bit. Oh yeah, the lightning is really increasing on the storm. Hopefully it comes here before it dies. Right now it's actually immature. It's maturing. Oh, whoa. Oh, there's a cloud I can't see. I'll go up there and see. There's a cloud I can't see. Oh yeah, we got all these clouds here, which these clouds are like indicating the storm activity that I was recording. Oh yeah, I kind of see. I think like right up into this right up in this tree line, like I'm blocking it right now. That tree line right there. You raise the exposure a little bit. Or maybe I'll get back. Get back so I can see better. Will the storm hit us? Not too sure about it, but this is the bit of storm activity this is like. Oh yeah, there is lightning like all the way back there. Oop, I just missed one. Let's back up some more. Get some more view of the storm. Oh, there's a little zit. Oh wow. Okay. It's doing really good. Oh wow, yep, I can see everything. There's this storm came out here taking the trash out, and I immediately saw this. Oh wow, yeah, it's good. We have a good storm here. I think it might be in Dallas. But by 9 p.m., all the storm activity should be dying by now. Should be dying. should be dying off by 9. That's what WFAA, the news people that is around here said. Okay, I'm gonna zoom it out. I'm gonna zoom it back out. Oh wow, yep, it's really going. This storm is really going. Oh, another one. Another one. Just keep moving around because I want mosquitoes. If I stand still, I'll get ate up. At this time of the night, mosquitoes are the biggest problem, and a bug head and lightning. Okay, now the lightning is increasing tenfold. Yep, the lightning is. Oh yeah, there's like a storm over this house, and right over there, there's a storm over there. There's more of it. There's more. I think this storm may be the last one. I don't know if this storm is coming or what. For now, I'm actually going to stop recording. I'll update you guys if it actually does come. If there's no other video, then that means it hasn't come yet. Oh, there's more. So I'm going to go ahead and stop recording. I'm going... What? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm going to go inside. Mosquitoes are crazy. I'll update you. I'll see you next time and update. I'll do an update. Bye. And thank you for watching.